Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. Today we're going to be going over this baked beans miner and their contract balance. The BCT token and their new staking platform that's supposed to launch soon. When it's going to launch and what's the expected APY. All right, but before we get into that, let's head over to the YouTube channel right here, the DeFi Bully. We on that push to 1,000, boy. We getting closer and closer every day. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. This DeFi crypto, very time sensitive. Hit that notification bell to be alerted for the new videos and the new stuff. You know what I mean? So let's get it started. Now, if we look over here at this baked beans contract, oh my gosh, if you guys been following me and this journey with the baked beans, you've seen I've been in this since I believe the contract was at like in the hundreds. Yeah, if I remember properly, right, 1,000, you know, and it's been steadily growing since then, which is very impressive for a miner. I think this is the greatest miner ever. Okay, definitely paying out. It says up to 8% daily. Okay, 3% dev fee. If you guys want to get started, check down below. Now, I am about 16 hours into it. I haven't been in it a whole 24 hours yet. Let me refresh this. And it says I have 0.230. And that should be about $99. About $99 in 16 hours. And I believe I started with 100. I put about 100 3 more times after that, but I just compounded a lot. And right now I'm over 100 a day. Over 100 a day, chilling at my house in Jamaica. Yeah, on one platform. Baked beans is really that move. Now, let's get over here to what they really working with now. To the bake house, the BCT token. Now, I mean, the future, the stable. We're trying to build a very long-term, strong powerhouse coin. So this is not aiming to be a pump and dump. This is not aiming to be a shit token, a shit coin, or whatever y'all want to call it. So the new staking feature, it should be going live today. By the time you're watching this, it should already be up. Okay, now the expected APY for this staking platform, I actually just came out of the AMA that they had in the Bean Chart Telegram group. You guys can go over here to the group, the Bean Chart token group, and it should be pinned right here. There we go, right here, the AMA that just passed. Now, the expected APY should be anywhere between 50 and like 75. It's not going to be these outrageous numbers like 5,000, 6,000, 10,000 like you're seeing. Those aren't sustainable. They're not going to last. And it doesn't even really make sense if you really think about it. Now this, since I said we're aiming to be a real powerhouse of a coin, I'm saying we because I'm invested in this. Okay? I'm invested in the team. I'm invested in this project. And it's making money. And that's what we in. That's what we in DeFi for. That's what we're in this space for. So the APYs won't be crazy, but it should be something sustainable, you know? Something nice and dependable. And based on the track record of the baked beans miner, it's only up from here. So let's go over here, take a quick look at the chart. You could buy it on PancakeSwap and PooCoin. That's the BCT token. I did notice earlier it had a little downtrend, but that's expected with these coins. And like I said, we're in the process of this launch. So this is pretty much the dip right here of the staking platform, launch of the staking platform. As you guys know, it's been delayed because there was issues with the developer. One of the developers actually caught COVID and got fluid in his lungs and so forth. So they're back at it right now. As you've seen, this has been at a crazy uptrend since the launch. Very healthy chart. You know, you can see you get me. Very healthy chart. And then right here where the launch of the staking platform about to take place, this is the dip you guys looking for. Right now is the time to buy in. Head over to the bakebeansproject.com, buy on PooCoin or buy on PancakeSwap. and purchase a BCT token that way. I got videos showing you how to. If you don't know how to, look through my videos. There's videos showing you guys how to actually purchase BCT token if you're interested. And again, if you want to get started in the baked beans miner, I will have my link down below. It shows a channel that you support and you appreciate the work that I put in, my restless hours, and big it up for baked beans. I really believe this is the hidden gem of the DeFi space. No matter how much like it's been here. All right, let's take a look at Moonarch. No matter how long it's been here, it's just paying out consistently. It's paid over $1 million. The total value locked is one of the highest. Look right here. Go to the highest total value lock, and it's right under the drip garden at 2 million. Oh my God. This is ridiculous, people. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. 8% daily. Up to 8%. No, depending on your eating habits. Remember, they suggest rebake 6, eat 1. I've been sometimes rebaking 5, eating 2, but I also deposit more into the contract. So, I mean, to each his own. Make your money, do your thing, have a conscious mind to help sustain the community and everything that's going on. And baked beans miner and baked beans chart, bean chart token, by far the best community I've been in. I know I say it every video, but I really mean it. And I'm in this for money, but I really mean it. Okay, so yeah, get started with your baked beans journey. Get your BCT token. Shout out everybody involved. Yeah, that's I don't really got much more to say about that except for this non-financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.